Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to make 1K per month with affiliate marketing. And when I say affiliate marketing, we'll be focusing on high ticket affiliate marketing. So high ticket is whenever you sell a product anywhere from $500 to 2K, right? So the beauty with affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing is whenever you make a high ticket sale, you have an opportunity to land your first $500 or 1K instant commission. Okay, and so I'm gonna walk you through step by step how to do that, and and I never use any kind of website. I never use any software. I don't run ads. Okay, so I focus mainly on Facebook, and I do Facebook organic, which means I never have to pay for any traffic, and I get paid 100% pure profit. So I'm gonna walk you step by step. So the first thing you need is a product. Okay, you need a product, a high ticket product anywhere from $500 to 1K. They're gonna land you a good amount of commission, and you need to be able to find products that can bring value to your people, okay, to your audience. And when I say good product, is product which have evergreen skills, which are gonna teach them sales, branding, marketing, or something they can take and live with them forever. Okay, so there are a lot of crappy products online, whether it's on ClickBank, JBZoo, or any other marketplace. There are a ton of product where they say done for you systems, copy and paste. It's not never gonna work. You need to do the work, and that's why you need to focus on uh, a product which provide a real evergreen skill to your audience. And so the next thing is platform. You need to choose you need to have a product, right? If you don't have a product, well, then what the hell are you gonna sell to the audience? So you need a product, and the next thing is you need a platform. And platform, I highly recommend you can start with. I know you can start with YouTube or anything, but the best spot is Facebook. And because why Facebook? Because there I don't know how many billion million people are there on Facebook every single day, and in whichever market you are, there are all those people on Facebook. All you have to do is just go to Facebook, and then there will be Facebook groups that you can find, join them, be active, and there are specific strategies how to do that. We're gonna dive that in soon. And once you go to those groups, you can add those people into your Facebook friends, and then that's when you do the next thing. So that's where audience, right? We need audience. So we have a product now, we have a platform now, we need audience. That's what I said. You need to go Facebook groups and then start posting content there, and then you will have people commenting on your post, liking, and all those stuff. And then what you have to do is that you just simply add them as your friends. Now in Facebook we can have 5,000. Now I have almost 4,000. I had to delete or make all those inactive friends, and it's a waste of time having inactive people in your Facebook. So if you so we can have 5,000 friends. So 5,000 is equal to 5,000 leads for us. So if you can convert that for like $1 per that one person, right? It's 5,000 per month. And once you add around 5,000 people per day, sorry, what I'm saying, if you add 50 people a day, and once you hit that 5,000 mark, you can start publishing content. And so this is one of the reason why I choose Facebook as my main platform where I share content. So this is one of the posts that I did about my journey, and this post I said I want to quit my job in October 31st, and I want to make 3K consistent. So I actually made my 3K this month, so which was so good. And even the month is not over, and I already hit my uh, income goal. So I'm gonna now people want to see the real money, right? So I'm gonna just pull over my paper, and I'm gonna show you. Just a minute. So here we are inside the paper, and you can see my transactions that I did. So here I took $238 into my bank account, and here I just invested $1,000 in a different mentor. So I'm gonna make a different video on that. And then this is all came to my bank: 748, 151, 48, 142. So all this are commission coming every three days or 2 days. And so, and when once you learn this stuff, right? So when you have a product, platform, audience, the biggest thing is the sales process. So you need to know how to convert all these leads and people. So if you don't know how to do that, and then there is no point in doing this all this stuff, right? So how to do so what's the sales process? So once you add people, when you have coming into your profile, when then they see your content, and you need to be start messaging them. You need to start a conversation, honest conversation with them, get to know them, where they are in life, and see if your product can solve their issues, right? Okay, so and whenever we add friends on a Facebook profile, we need to make sure that we add our target audience. So my target audience are people who are into affiliate marketing, struggling for a long time and haven't got any results. So those are the people that I add into my Facebook profile, right? And so from there I start posting on it. They will be commenting on my post, and then I message them, and then we have an honest conversation. And if I see that I can help this person, I might jump on a Zoom call with them, or I close them on a messenger. So if you're interested in learning about offer marketing, if you want to do high ticket offer marketing, I'm going to leave uh, so I'm going to leave a link in the description. So it's going to be like a pro, an intermediate, and a beginner. So those three courses, I have gone through that three courses that I'm going to leave in the description. So according to budget, so based on what's you're comfortable right now to invest, get started with that, and I can help you all the way. Just send me a screenshot of a receipt to my email or Instagram, or yeah, mainly into my email. That's the best thing to do. And I'm gonna send you my bonus training video so that you can get started and then make some money, right? And that's it, guys. So I'll see you guys tomorrow with the heading how to make 1K per day. Alright, guys, bye bye.